Hey everyone. So market is a game of probabilities, and the more you try to get the odds in your favor, you're going to be winning in the market. So welcome back guys to another exciting session with me Asha on your weekly analysis video. अगर आपने लास्ट वीक का वीकली एनालिसिस वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो आई वुड सजेस्ट पॉज द वीडियो हियर, गो बैक एंड चेक आवर लास्ट वीकली एनालिसिस एंड सी व्हाट वी हैड टोल्ड यू इन द मार्केट्स. तो हमने क्लियरली लास्ट वीक के हमारी एनालिसिस वीडियो में आपको बताया था दैट द मार्केट इज गोइंग टू सी अ डाउनवर्ड मूव एंड वहां से मार्केट ने 500 पॉइंट्स करेक्ट किया है. Again, we came live on YouTube on the 3rd of December, and we told you that this is the zone when you need to enter into the longs in the market. And yahan se another 300 points, the market moved. So typically 800 points is a move that you would have captured in the last week अगर आपने हमारे levels और analysis खाली अगर follow किया है तो. So as I told you, market में it is always a case of probability. And how do you increase your winning probability is by looking at multiple factors. So हम use करते हैं financial astrology and technical analysis. So financial astrology we use to time the markets, and of course technical we use to enter into the game. So based on financial astrology and technicals, we gave you the sell level, and again based on financial astrology on and technicals, we gave you the buy levels in the market. So if you would have followed that, you would have been able to capture 800 points in the market. Forget 800 points, 500 point भी अगर आपने capture किया है, तो that's a very very good move that you could have captured in the market. So let's move on and understand कि इस वीडियो में हम क्या क्या cover करने वाले हैं. So we're going to look at the important dates from a financial astrology perspective. उसके साथ साथ we're going to look at the levels that are important from a financial astrology perspective. And we're also going to look at the technical levels that you need to keep in mind. Again, we're going to see the sectors that can be at play for this week. Again, from a financial astrology perspective. And last but not the least, we'll also give you stocks जिनमें एक मूव आ सकता है this week. So stay tuned. We'll cover all this in this video. Again, for those of you who want to learn financial astrology, नीचे दिए हुए numbers में जरूर message करिए, and Jignesh will give you the details about our financial astrology course. Along with that, it's important कि अगर आपको टेक्निकल्स आता है तो ही आप एडवांस्ड स्टडी में जाइए. अगर आपको टेक्निकल्स नहीं आता है, सो अगेन आई वुड सजेस्ट आप हमारी टेक्निकल एनालिसिस कोर्स में भी एनरोल करिए so that you are able to understand both technicals and financial astrology. Financial astrology is an advanced study, so obviously आपका जो बेस है वो क्लियर होना चाहिए, which is technicals. Technicals के ऊपर you can build on to your financial astrology course. That is very very important. तो चलिए let's move on and understand the important dates that you have to keep in mind this for this week. So 10th and 11th is going to be very very important. 10th and 11th is going to be very important astro dates that you need to keep in mind. So 10th and 11th का high and low आपके लिए mark करना बहुत जरूरी है. तो keep these two dates on your radar. 10th and 11th का market का high and low is going to be the deciding factor for the market till the 20th of December. So 10th and 11th का जो मूव आपको मिलेगा वो 20th तक आपके लिए वो लेवल्स वैलिड रहेगा. तो कीप द मार्क इन योर चार्ट, दे आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. उसके अलावा द एस्ट्रोगैन इंपॉर्टेंट लेवल फॉर दिस वीक इज गोइंग टू बी 25,180. The bullish level for this week is 25,180 above, and the bearish level for this week is going to be below 26,090. This is the Astrogan levels that we are sharing with you. उसके साथ साथ let's also understand the technical levels that you need to watch out for. So technically 26,300 is going to be a strong resistance for the market, and 25,900 is going to be a strong support for the market. So I've given you all these things, which is going to be what are the important dates, that is 10th and 11th. They're going to be very very important. They're going to decide the market's move till about the 20th of December. So this is going to be really very important for you to watch out for. उसके साथ साथ we have given you the important Astrogan bull bear levels. So the bull level is 26,180 above. The bear level is below 26,090. Again, the technical levels we've already shared with you. That is 26,300 is a technical resistance, and 25,900 is a technical support for the markets. So these are the important levels from the index perspective. Now let's quickly look at the important sector that can give you a good move in this week. So Nifty Pharma is something that you need to watch out for. Nifty Pharma में एक बहुत अच्छा मूव आने की चांसेस है. So this index is going to be on your radar. इसमें जो भी स्टॉक्स है वो वीकेंड पे स्टडी करिए and keep your levels and keep your analysis ready, because this sector is going to be the sector that's going to move this week. ये week में this sector is going to give you a very big move. तो ये आप जरूर मार्क करके रखिए. Again, don't forget to watch the video till the end. हम लोग इस हफ्ते के स्टॉक्स भी आपके साथ लास्ट में शेयर करेंगे. So let's move on and understand कि what are the points that we just discussed. So number one, 26,180 के above is going to be bullish. That's an Astrogan level. 26,090 के नीचे is going to be bearish. Again, an Astrogan level. Technical levels are 25,900 and 26,300. उसके अलावा the two important dates that you need to watch out for, which is going to set the trend for the entire next entire week till the 20th of December, is going to be the 10th and the 11th. अगले 10 दिन का जो move है वो डिफाइन करने वाला डेट्स है 10th and 11th. So keep that date also marked. The high and lows of that date also marked on your charts. Again, those of you who are not part of our Telegram channel or who are not part of our WhatsApp broadcast, जरूर जुड़िए, because that is where we keep giving you these updates. And जब हम live आते हैं, that is where we keep sharing the links. And those of you who have yet not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe so that all these important information reaches you on time. So see you soon in our next video, guys. Until then, take care and happy and safe trading.